pretty much about 30% of the resolutions, from 620 all the way to 629, with this Sequan Fowler versus UC hiring 10 separate law firms. A lot of them familiar names. I mean, campaign donors: Colotti, Palumbo, Dow, LaCourte, Bundy, a lot of them. What again is the rationale for hiring 10 separate lawyers at $10,000 each? Because I asked, because right underneath 630, there's a resolution hiring Baus, Zucker, Hatfield for some Runnels. Barbara Egger, I guess she's a nurse over there, is suing Runnels for something. I mean, you can go into what she's suing for, like that too. But the point I'm making here is Baus, Zucker are the lawyers who work with the UCIA. I mean, at least they get money from them, or UCIA, UCUA, whatever, and they're running Runnels. So they're directly involved in Runnels, and yet they're representing here, while these 10 other lawyers, you're probably going to say are, you can't have county lawyers on them because there'd be some conflict. But Baus Zucker seems to have a direct conflict, and they're still, given their $10,000.
The reason is that this is a litigation that involves multiple defendants. I believe a total of 14. We have reviewed that complaint and what information as we had at the preliminary stage. There is my determination that there is a potential for conflicts between a variety of defendants, and as a result of which each and every one of them, not each and every one, but where I could couple defendants together, I did, and where individuals should stand alone and be represented, I did that as well. About Zucker, I don't see there's any conflict. There's misinformation apparently out. The UCIA does not own Runnels Hospital. Runnels Hospital is still owned and operated by the county. I'm not aware of any conflict.
Mr. Burry mentioned this. 620, there's a lot of legal things that Mr. Barry explained, but under 620, Palumbo and Renaud, they gave $39,000 in 4 years. Colotti and Simmons gave $18,000 in 4 years. Florio gave $8,000 in 4 years. Weber Dow gave $10,000 in 4 years. Mr. Burry mentioned political donors. I'm just following up with the dollar amounts. Number 629, LaCourte Bundy gave $21,000 in 4 years, and Baus Zucker gave $43,000 in 4 years. Nice political donation. I can see why you guys want to spread it out and give it to all these guys. They're donating. It's like a gravy train for you guys in your campaigns.